What's up? It's King Pac-Man, and I'm here to say Happy Easter to you. This is going to be a Happy Easter elevator ride, and I suppose this is a Otis, Schindler, ThyssenKrupp, Dover, or a Montgomery or Cone, because we're going to go forward, and the door closed works. We're going to ride all 3 elevators. I suppose that was 2 days ago. Here 4. What the heck is that? Here 4. And we'll go into 1. These are fixtures, phone. It's a really nice elevator. Mom, your camera focus is terrible. I hate it. Here 1. Have you close? There it goes. Let's go to the next elevator, the other condo. That's condo number 1 here. Here's the stairs, which is actually the manpower elevator we usually call. Anyways. Hope I've got enough for this video today. Today's Easter. See the boats there. There's tennis court. And there's the Tamarind Bay Club. This is at Tamarind Bay. I'll put it in the description, and I'll put the brand names I just named for the elevators here, because they look like a Schindler, Otis, Dover, ThyssenKrupp, Montgomery, or Cone. Because it's really hard to tell which type of elevators they look like. Almost like Westinghouses or Easterns. Because they're a bit fast for Eastern elevators. It has to be an Eastern elevator. Probably tractions or something. It's too hard to tell what they all look like. And here's a little look of Key Largo. Here's the other elevator, look at that. It's a beautiful day out today. It's Easter. I set the same elevator brands for the other elevator we were on for number 1 to 4. And the door closed works. Also, I have to say, it's hard to tell for all 3 of these elevators that I did reviews on. For 3 of them and the 4th one, for all of them I did. And here are 4. And we'll go back to 1. Ooh, bug. These are fixtures. Phone, a really nice elevator. Oh, this camera focuses way terrible. Here at 1. There goes. Now let's get the third elevator at here. And maybe we'll go for one ride. Ride on the elevator, the first one. I think we can do that. And I'll end the video. Oops. Sorry, there's a little car there. Both out there. They're both out there. Excuse me. Again, for the last elevator here. Same elevator brands. I just named for all two of them, especially this one, for all 3 of the elevators here. This time's a little different. What's okay? This camera focus is terrible, Mom. Before, this is stupid with my mom's camera. Sorry if it can't focus right. I can't. I think this is gonna work. Here at 4. And then we'll go back to 1. Oh, this camera focus is terrible. These are fixtures, phone, a really, really nice elevator. Identical to the other 2. Oh, this camera focus is terrible, Mom. Here at 1. Okay, let's go ahead. Try not to get them on the camera. And there it goes. Here's the elevator machine room. There goes Ann. That's it for that. Let's go for one more ride on the elevator. The first condo, that's the third one. That's the second one over there. Okay. Here's another beautiful look of Key Largo. It's a little bit of birds chirping. It's a great day for Easter. And here's another look at the tennis court here. Another look at Cameron Bay. Another view of the tennis court. Somebody. You have to type a key code in to unlock the gate so you can get in. Otherwise, like room numbers, it's frankly what you had to do to get into the condo. It's getting a little hot. I need this bathroom. I think I'm at the end. Here's the first condo. And a little look at the ocean. Here's the ink here on the outside. I just want to focus right. To get it to focus. Oh well. Going 4. This one works. I'm gonna get one more cat to do this for you. This camera doesn't want to focus right. Mom, your camera's terrible. I hate this. This camera. Mom, this camera focus is terrible. Here 4. Oh, this camera focus is terrible. There we go. Now we gotta focus. And we'll go back to 1. I got cat view. Here at 1. Oh, sorry. And that's it. Thanks for watching and happy Easter. Let's watch it. Let's hear it go up first. You can hear the motor from the elevator machine room. That's the elevator machine room there. It's up on the floor. And that's it. Thanks for watching and happy Easter.